Welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm sharing with you guys this beautiful wig that I'm wearing right here, and this is from Jon Renau. This has just barely launched. They just launched some new synthetic styles as part of their Lite Collection. So they had some styles they launched last year. They are a lighter density style, and they also are on their lighter cap construction, which is fully hand tied, and they have some more available. This one right here is their ever popular Cameron. You know what, I have never tried Cameron in their original style, but I do like this in the light version. And also I have never tried a petite size. I've always worn average in like every brand, and especially Jon Renau, but this is actually Cameron Petite Light. I'm really impressed because it actually fits me, and I think the reason why is because I buzzed my hair, so I no longer have that type of bulk. And also the light versions are fully hand tied, so it's really stretchy, and that can help with, you know, fitting over the head as well. That's what I'm assuming, because I've always worn average, and this actually fits me pretty well. So that's what we're talking about today. This is Cameron Petite Light in the color Shaded Peach, and the code for that is 30A27S4. So let's talk about Shaded Peach. I know, we're talking about the Lite Collection, but let's talk about this color real quick. I have tried Shaded Peach before. I've worn Shaded Peach before. It's a gorgeous red color. So let's just talk about this really quick. The code again is 30A27S4. And what you have is this medium natural red and a medium red gold blonde blend. That's what you have. This nice blend with a dark brown root. Isn't it pretty? I'll show you guys a closer look when I take it off. So with this light collection and this light wig, you have just a very light density. And then you have a very natural looking lace front that is ear to ear. That is one of the special features in the Lite Collection. Of course, you also have that fully hand-tied cap, and so we'll get more into that when I take this style off. First of all, take a look at that lace front. Ear to ear, they have that lighter color right up front, and you can see how that lace goes all the way down, all the way down. See that? Actually, the petite may not fit me quite as well, because you can see that it probably should come down to here, but you can see how that lace comes all the way down to where the ear tabs are supposed to be typically. See that? Look at that gorgeous color. And then you have that monofilament top, so you can part it every which way. It's fully hand tied, multi-directional parting. Pull it back off from the face if you'd wish, if you'd like, and just style it as if it's your own hair. And I love that when you have that lace front and full monofilament top, because really sky's the limit with creative styling. The bang on Cameron is 10 inches. The crown is 12 inches. Your nape is 4.5 inches. The sides are 8 inches. And the total weight is 3.2 ounces. All right, let's show you Cameron Light from all angles. Isn't she cute? Okay, let's take her off. So look at that extended lace front. It is amazing. And then you have this polyurethane area where the ear tabs are, where you can use adhesive if you'd like. And then you have this monofilament top area and this fully hand-tied stretchy cap. This stretch section right here makes it nice and snug. It fits your head really well, like a comfy pair of leggings. It's comfortable. It's cozy and it's secure. You have a little bit of Velcro right here where you can loosen and tighten the wig so it is nice and secure and fits your head more true to size. And the nice thing with these fully hand-tied caps is that hair flow, the way that it travels, and the way that you can style it just is more natural. It looks very natural in the density and the way the hair movement is. You have this polyurethane area for the ear tabs, and then this is actually a silicone nape, and it's just really nice and grippy. It's a non-slip grip. From this new launch, you can get Cameron Lite Petite, Carrie Lite Petite, and Miranda Lite. All of these are fully hand-tied. All of them have this beautiful ear-to-ear lace front. All of these amazing features and this nice, light, natural density. Perfect for summer. What do you guys think about this gorgeous color? Shaded peach. It is so pretty if you are into reds, if you're into that strawberry shade, especially if you like that root. Look how gorgeous. This is definitely a nice light bob. Perfect for summertime because not only is it light and airy, not only is it, you know, very natural, but it's off the neck. Ideal if you like to work out, you're outdoors, but you do need to wear a wig. You guys can get Jon Renau wigs and products at many reputable retailers, both brick and mortar and online. I mean, there's some fantastic retailers, but I will have a store locator down below so you can find one nearest you or online. That link will be down below. Let me know what you think about this new Cameron Lite, this cute bob, this new cute light bob, and what you think about this cap construction, and what you think about this beautiful color. I have shared this color before. Would you wear this red shade? I think it's really, really pretty. It's nice and vibrant and dynamic. I like it. So anyway, let me know your thoughts, comment below, and until next time, you guys, I'll see you later. Bye.